I'm Angie with Jaguar Land Rover Asheville. I'm here today to show you how to use the activity key on the new 19 Discovery. This is how you operate the activity key. You turn the car off. You leave your key fob in the car. I have on the activity key. You walk to the back of the car. You take the flat part of the activity key, touch it to the D, and the car is locked. Then you can go swim, you can go jog, you can come back, you're all hot and sweaty. You touch the soft spot under here, you touch the D again, and the car unlocks. Your key is safe and not wet, and you can resume your travels.